Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Our video for today is all about how to fix Facebook back button not working. First thing you need to try is to delete the Facebook app, then download it again. By doing this, it will give you a clean installation, which it will fix the problem. But if the problem persists, then try to download the older version of Facebook before you receive that kind of issue. Delete the app that you have right now, then go to your browser and search for Facebook older version. Then navigate to the version of Facebook that you want to download, then download it. After downloading, go ahead and open it and see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.